I'm gonna show you how to fix your Google Meet. Your camera is not working or disabled. So to get started, make sure that you open your Google browser first and then sign into your account. And then from here, all you have to do is just go into settings right above here. There's three dots on the right corner right here. And then click on settings, scroll down, and then locate the settings. And then when you click on settings, you will see a pop-up or a new page will load there, and then go to privacy and security, and then scroll down and make sure to locate the privacy, the all privacy. Make sure to click the security right here, the site settings, and then from the site settings you have to locate the microphone or your camera. So once you click on camera, make sure that the sites can ask to use your camera. Make sure that you set this automatically, because if it's not, it will not pop up or make your Google Meet allowed your camera. So once you're done with that, all you have to do is just restart your Google, and then that's pretty much it. That's how to fix your camera is not working when you open your Google Meet.